No sunlight? No problem. These low-light houseplants thrive where others fail. Perfect for apartments, offices, and cozy corners. Are you looking to spruce up your home or apartment with a few easy-care houseplants? Indoor greenery is a simple, inexpensive way to add style, color, and intrigue to any space. Indoor houseplants can fit effortlessly into corners of rooms and come in a variety of sizes to suit your empty space needs. Place plants on shelves or windowsills, hang them from the ceiling, or invest in stylish containers and planters. The design possibilities are endless. Plus, plants provide a variety of health benefits, including allergy relief, mood elevation, air purification, and stress relief. Some require more work than others. But luckily, there are plenty of low-maintenance indoor plants that can take your space to the next level. No green thumb required. The best low-light plants. 1. Cast iron plant. A cast iron pan is durable and everlasting, which is the thought behind this plant's name. Also known as barroom or ballroom plants, this option features leaves that are 4 inches wide and about 2 feet long. A cast iron plant will grow in minimal light, which is perfect for those spaces in your home that hardly ever see the sun. But be careful of direct sunlight, which can burn the leaves. This plant also adapts well to most temperatures and humidity levels. Allow the soil to dry out between watering. Duck Monstera. There are many varieties of Monstera plants, but the Monstera deliciosa and Monstera adansoni are 2 common options. Various species are also known as the Swiss cheese plant due to holes that can develop in the leaves. This type of plant is a good choice for all indirect light conditions and practically any room in your home. Not only is this plant easy to maintain, but it also features air purifying qualities. Just make sure to water it enough to keep the soil from drying out. Yellow leaves can indicate that your plant is thirsty. 3. Zezet plant. This plant features a fun name that's based off its Latin name Zamioculca zamifolia. It thrives in low to bright, indirect light and only needs to be watered when it's completely dry. It's also really good for the air. A NASA study found that it works well at removing large amounts of toxins. Just be careful because ZZ plant are poisonous. So remember to keep the plant away from pets and children and wash your hands after touching the plant. 4. Peace lily. If you're looking for low-maintenance greenery that occasionally blooms, a peace lily is the plant for you. Contrary to its name, the plant is technically not a flower, but a modified leaf, similar to a poinsettia. It does, however, feature white blooms in the spring and sometimes in the fall if it's properly maintained. Peace lilies don't require a lot of light and can thrive in shade or partial shade, and can even handle fluorescent light. In the summer, peace lilies require a weekly watering. Even though they thrive in indoor conditions, they don't enjoy drafts or drastic changes in temperature, so it's best to keep these plants away from doors. Also, keep in mind that peace lilies are mildly toxic to both animals and humans. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which plant you're adding to your home first.